Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
All right, let's hurry up, go to New Bedford. Is the rainbow still there? Is it disappearing? Just a little bit. It looked better about 60 seconds ago. But you get the idea. Sun is coming out on the western horizon, on the eastern sky. The rain departing New Bedford right now and Cape Cod. But looking okay. Temperatures that are starting to drop now that the strong cold front has come through, and really very cool air tonight through all of Friday night into Saturday morning. It's in the upper 50s right now, 58 both New Bedford and Providence. More in the way of sunshine in Rhode Island and Connecticut, still holding on to some clouds and some rain across eastern Massachusetts. We take a look at the surf advisory. High surf advisory has gone into effect. The surf has been on the rise this afternoon, but more so coming up on Friday. Dangerous rip currents, big swells offshore, and the surf increasing anywhere from 5 to 10 feet. Strong, dangerous rip currents as well. So you can see in Narragansett now the sun is shining and the surf has been picking up, but they're really starting to increase quite a bit overnight and especially on Friday. Let me step out of the way. You can clearly see that is Category 4 Hurricane Fiona. New England right in here. We'll get a close-up look. There's the eye of the storm now moving northeast. That is Bermuda. It does not get a direct hit. The island gets kind of grazed. It's more of a problem by Saturday for the Canadian Maritimes. Here's a close-up look. This is a high-resolution satellite photo. It disappears with the setting of the sun out in the Atlantic, but you can clearly see the eye right in there. Category 4 storm with winds of 130 miles per hour. The forecast remains the same as the storm bends northeast and then north into the Canadian Maritimes by Saturday. This is unfortunately going to make national news as a very high impact hit on the Maritimes coming up on Saturday morning. It passes well to the east of New England, but still close enough to throw back those swells and the surf. So when we take a look at the wave height forecast, and they're just huge near the center of the storm and to the right of the storm. See this little area of yellow and green, the swells extending back towards the New England coastline. That's why I think the surf is going to be even more rough and dangerous coming up on Friday with the rip currents as well. In the meantime, we take a look at two cold fronts. The one that came through today with the showers and downpours is moving offshore. The second cold front is really the leading edge, kind of a reinforcing shot of very cool air. Coolest air of the season is on the way. You can see the air is shaded in darker green right in here, moving in for tonight. All of Friday, especially Friday night. Would not hesitate to use the word cold or chilly for Friday night, tomorrow night. Tomorrow morning is very cool at 7 a.m. Two things tomorrow, partly sunny and it is blustery. Temperatures at 11 a.m. 53, but a gusty wind makes it feel cooler. You need a windbreaker. And then during the afternoon, partly sunny skies, dry, quite cool, not much higher than 60. Those gusty winds continue. Small craft advisory on the bay. Beaches with the very dangerous high surf and the dangerous rip currents. Look at the water temperature, 10 degrees warmer than the air temperature, which will be running at about 62 tomorrow. Bay forecast has unlimited visibility, small craft advisory, almost borderline gale warning, north 15 to 20, gust to 30 knots. It is choppy on the bay. 7-day outlook showing the blustery, windy, cool but dry weather on Friday after a very chilly start Saturday morning, like 39 to 42 degrees. It does recover to 68 in the afternoon with some sunshine. Sunday's dry, the daytime. Some showers, though, by Sunday night.
All right, Tony, thanks. Coming up tonight at 10 and 11.